The cold weather is gone, and it's time to put my nasturtiums into the ground. Stay with me.
I chose this spot too. Plant my nasturtiums. Because there's a wired tower where nasturtiums can climb on. Planting is simple. I just dig a hole, put flour in, and add some hydrogel to keep moisture. At the end, I water my plants with liquid manure. I decided not to cover my plants with mulch yet because there are some birds at my garden and they love playing in mulch. They can easily kill my freshly planted veggies. By the way, did you know nasturtiums are edible? Leaves taste exactly like cress. Flowers, on the other hand, have citrus flavor. Leaves and flowers taste good in salads, and nasturtium grows quite big. Thanks for watching.